So did you know you can make $500 and more every single month on YouTube without having a YouTube channel? Oh, you thought it was about being monetized? Not at all. You don't even need a YouTube channel. And thousands of students around the world are already using this method. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the same and how you can make your first dollars online if you've never made one. So let's not waste too much time and get straight to the point. Now you might be thinking, I've kind of seen this kind of video before, how to make money on YouTube by watching videos. But let me promise you that the method I'm about to share with you in today's video has a subtle twist that you have never seen before. So the website that allows you to make money on YouTube without having a YouTube channel is called youlikeit.com, as you can see on the screen. So go to youlikeit.com and you land on a page that looks like this. So once you are on this website, the home page, click just sign up to create a free account. Okay, it's completely free, my friend. So all you have to do is just choose a username, enter your email address and set up a password, then confirm you are a human, you understand, by selecting the image they ask you for. This is just a simple step, okay, to make sure no one is abusing their system. That's all. So once that's done, click verify and then sign up, and just like that your account is created. Now click login, enter your username, password and hit login. Then they will send you a verification code. Okay, that's very important, to your email address. So here's what the email should look like. Simply copy the activation code, paste it here and click activate, and boom, as you can see, your account right now is alive. And as you can see, I've already received 50 points just by signing up. And don't worry, I will explain exactly why this point and what are these points for. Is very important. And remember, as I said earlier, you don't have to watch any video and you don't even need a YouTube channel. Alright, so let's click here to get started. So welcome to the You Like It dashboard. As you can see, so the way this website works is very simple. It's for people like you and I. We can just come to this website, sign up and do little things, having point to do a lot of things. Okay, but don't forget, you don't have to watch a video. I'm going to show you the secret. You don't even have to watch any video. And if you happen to have a YouTube channel, you can link your YouTube channel to this website to grow it with likes, engagement and all that. But we are not here for this. We are here to make money, to build a business with this, and that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Before we jump straight into it, like this video, hit that subscribe button so this video will be shown to a lot of people, so a lot of people also benefit from this great information. So once you are on your You Like It dashboard, go to the left menu, click earn point, then select YouTube views. As you can see, it says earn points by watching other people's video. Very simple. And as I mentioned earlier, you are not going to watch any video, you understand, just stay till the end. You see, now pay close attention to the points my account has right now. I currently have like 50 points. So this side promises me to give me 9 points for watching this video, do you understand? So which will bring my total to 59 points. Okay, so but here's the thing, you don't have to watch any video. Let me show you for demonstration. Okay, I click on the green B, and as you can see, a window popped up with a YouTube video which starts playing automatically. Now it's very important to not close this window. Okay, now look at what's happening in the background of that window. A countdown timer is running for 63 seconds. That means if I keep this window open for 63 seconds, I'll learn 9 points as possible. Do you understand? And that's amazing. And here's the best part, you don't even have to watch the video. Actually, you can pause the video, and that's the best thing. The only thing that matters here is the countdown. All you need is to keep the window open until the timer finishes. That's all. So just click on the green B and you don't need to watch any video at all, nothing at all. Okay, so that means you are literally earning money without watching any video. When I say money, you say money, but I'm not seeing money here. Don't worry, you understand it very soon. What I'm about to show you at the end of this video is very important. It's the only thing you need to make a lot of money with this method, so stay to the end. So as you can see, just few seconds left and done. I've gone from 50 points to 59 points as they said, and it's that simple. And this is how you be collecting points. Okay, now any point is great, but what are we using this point for? So actually you can use this point to exchange with engagement on social media, like likes on YouTube, Facebook video, TikTok videos, comments, views, watch time and everything. But what we are interested in this video is I'm going to show you how you can use those points to change them into YouTube likes and make money. Have you ever heard something like that before? You will see. So to do this, very simple, we are going to use a website called player.com. There are plenty other websites like this. Okay, you can do your own research. You will not see everything in just one video like this. Okay, there are plenty other websites like this, so we are going to use player.com. okay, so type it as you can see on the screen. So once you land on the home page, you see a screen like this. So PlayerUp is essentially a huge marketplace where you can sell points for money. You understand? And here's exactly how it works. Click on the search bar and type YouTube. You see it suggests YouTube. Click on that and you'll be shown different type of marketplace, listings related to YouTube. Some people are buying and selling YouTube accounts, others offering YouTube comments, views, likes. But what we are interested in here, what's the most profitable one and that works very well, is selling YouTube likes. You understand it later, don't worry. So click on YouTube likes for sale and now take a look at the prices on the marketplace right now. For example, someone is selling 5,000 YouTube likes for $25. You understand? Another person is selling 10,000 YouTube likes for $45. You understand? And even if you don't have that many likes to sell, let's say you have 1,000 likes, you can still sell that 1,000 likes to $4. You understand? Even the lowest case, even if you have 500 likes, you can still sell that to $1.85 or your own price if you don't want to copy the competition. Do you understand? So all you have to do is to go to PlayerUp, okay, create your offer for the number of likes you want to sell and post it. That's all. So once a customer sees your offer and place an order, here's what you are going to do. You are going to go back to youlikeit.com, the dashboard. Okay, you click on add edit site, choose website and then click on likes. The platform will ask you for the link to the video where you want to send the likes to. You understand? So just paste the link the buyer provided to you. Do you understand? And click add video and boom, you deliver the likes directly from the point you earn on youlikeit.com to the buyer. And just like that, you keep the money. Now tell me in the comment section, what's your income goal and how much are you trying to get with this method? And trust me, this works for anyone who genuinely takes it seriously. And if you have any question, you've not understood everything I said in this video, there are some parts I didn't go deeper or you didn't understand, you can still ask in the comment section. But as I told you, there's not everything in one video. Okay, you have to do your own research. And if you found this video helpful, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. To Joshua. Peace out.